Hey there, ready to make cash online without a camera? You're in for a treat. Today, I'll share 5 real ways to earn $100 daily. Let's jump right in. First, freelance writing is a solid option. There's always a need for writers. From blogs to product descriptions, you can find gigs easily. Check out Upwork and Fiverr. An article can earn you 25 to 100 solo. Next, think about selling digital products. Are you creative? Create ebooks, printables, or online courses. Etsy and Gumroad let you set up a shop fast. Upload your product and watch your sales grow passively. Up next is virtual assistant services. Are you organized? You can help others with emails and tasks. Many entrepreneurs seek assistance. VAs charge $20 to $50 per hour. Just a few hours can earn you that hundreds. Another easy option is online surveys and website testing. Sites like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars pay for your opinion. You might fill out surveys or test sites. It's an effortless way to earn extra cash on the side. Lastly, consider dropshipping or print on demand. Sell products without holding inventory. Use Shopify or Etsy to set up a store. It's flexible and you get to be your own boss. To recap, we covered freelance writing, selling digital products, being a virtual assistant, online surveys, and dropshipping. Each method opens doors for earning online without showing your face. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite method below. Until next time, happy earning!